All of you are very welcome to LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how you can print barcode labels in the LocalWell app. So let's start today's video. Printing barcode labels can have many benefits for your business. For example, your billing process will become faster. You will now be able to arrange your stock easily. Along with this, purchase return of expired products will also be done. And you can also do stock audit. You can get many more such benefits. So first of all, let's know how you can print barcode labels. For that, first of all, open the LocalWell app and come to the purchase section. After coming to the purchase section, you will see the first option at the bottom, Add Purchase. Now click on Add Purchase. Now you can import the purchase bill from its CSV file or PDF file. And if you do not know how to import, then we already have a dedicated video for this on our YouTube channel. You can watch that video by clicking on the I button above. So as soon as you complete the process of Add Purchase, you will see the last option on the right hand side top, Create Barcodes. So if you press F10, then you will enter the Print Labels section. After that, see, all the products that we had added are being shown here, and if you click inside all these products, you will also see the batches that we have added. So if you want to print the barcode label of any one particular product from these, then simply select it. If you want to print barcode labels of all these products together, then select all. After that, you can go to the right hand side and select which information you want to show at the barcode label and which information you do not want to show at the barcode label. So whatever information you do not want to show, uncheck it, and if you want to show it, check it again. After this, you will see that you will see Print Preview above. Click on it. Here you can print these barcode labels if you want and in any sheet. Otherwise, you can also print them using a thermal printer. Your printing cost is also zero in a thermal printer, and you can print many barcode labels in one paper roll. After that, you click on the print table. In this way, you can easily print barcode labels for your products. After printing, our barcode label will look something like this. Let's grasp what info it holds and its benefit for you. Initially, you will notice the product's name. Right beneath, the batch number appears. This ensures you are aware of the specific batch provided to the customer. Often, a product from a different batch is given without knowing its exact origin. So, your stock arrangement will be absolutely accurate. Additionally, the product's expiry date and the distributor's name are displayed at the bottom right. This ensures easy returns. Your business name is also listed, encouraging repeat visits from customers needing medicine. They'll see your name on the barcode labels and return, boosting business growth. Along with this, you are given a 10-digit barcode on the left-hand side. And this barcode is scanned 300 times faster than a normal barcode. There are many benefits of printing a barcode label. I hope you liked our video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video and drop your feedback in the comment section for any help related to LocalWell.